Want to start binary trading but afraid of losing money? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free demo account step by step so you can practice trading without any risk. Before you risk real money, it's important to practice. A demo account lets you trade with virtual money to test strategies and improve your skills. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a demo account, how to use it, and my top tips to make. What is a demo account and why you need it? A demo account is a practice trading account with virtual money. It helps you learn without losing real money. You can test different strategies before real trading. Choosing a broker for demo trading, not all brokers are good. Here's what to look for in a binary trading demo account. No deposit required, easy-to-use platform, accurate market data. Some popular platforms with free demo accounts include Quotex Pocket Option, a limp trade. Check if legal in your country. Step 1. Click on the link of the broker given in the description. Step 2. Choose your residence country and currency, and put your email and strong password. Check the agreement and click on registration. Step 3. Now there are account types you don't need to deposit in a real account. Select Demo Account. Step 4. Their $10,000 virtual funds are given for practice. Explore the platform, check the charts. Indicators and trading options. Step 5. I placed a test trade to show you how can you trade in the demo account. How to use a demo account effectively. Many beginners make mistakes when using demo accounts. Here's how to use it the right way. Treat it like real money. Don't take unnecessary risks. Test different trading strategies before going live. Practice money management. Don't trade everything at once. The goal is to build confidence and improve skills before trading with real money. Now that you know how to create a demo account, are you ready to practice? Comment demo if you're going to try it, or real if you already trade live. Also, don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, I'll teach you how to use technical indicators to improve your trading accuracy.